Soccer fans everywhere, get ready as Soccer Matrix presents the One Day World Cup, the Black History Edition.
By any means necessary.
6 vs. 6 soccer tournament on Sunday, February 12th, starting at 9:30 a.m. at the Broward Regional Park. Winners receive a $1,500 cash prize and the Marcus Garvey Memorial Cup trophy.
Because if Negroes are created in God's image and Negroes are black, then God must in some sense be black.
The One Day World Cup, the Black History Edition, 6 vs. 6 soccer tournament, Sunday, February 12th at the Broward Regional Park, 3700 Northwest 11th Place, Sunrise and 441 in Lauderhill. The soccer tournament begins at 9:30 a.m. Team registration is $250. At 4 p.m. it's the main event, with South Florida teams representing Jamaica versus Trinidad and Haiti versus Africa. Then it's the Black History Celebration Concert, remembering those who paved the way for us, with live performances by Sherelle Rose Green, Key Money, Popeye Caution, music by Frankie Lax, Hype Squad.
We don't want to say the Hype Squad I represent, this Frankie Lax, I don't know the thing.
Encore with Zeke Don and Scientific.
Yo, Zeke and the City.
And hosted by Fergie and Springer. Admission is only $15 pre-sold. VIP all-inclusive is available. Tickets on sale now at Carl Seafood, Zion Way Lauderhill, Nice Media, all on-ties locations, and Judy's in Miami. Children under 12 are free. Sponsored by Sophia Shooty, Ochi Seafood, In the Cut Barbershop, Carl Seafood, Aggressive Insurance, Grace and Western Union. The One Day World Cup Black History Edition 6 vs. 6 soccer tournament, with South Florida teams representing Jamaica versus Trinidad and Haiti versus Africa. And the Black History Celebration Concert. For info, call 954-245-6119.
God Almighty, we are free at last.
Log on to OneDayWorldCups.com.